This is a quick overview of the 1968 Princeton Reverb restoration, starting at the power cord and working back to the input. We've got a brand new 3-prong power cord with an extra long ground lead soldered directly to chassis, not the transformer bolts. Bias boards rebuilt, brand new Vishay 100 microfarad 100 volt cap, Vishay 2-watt resistors, brand new 4007 half-wave rectifier. The original canister cap is left in place. That's the original Mallory. Terminal strips were soldered to chassis, not drilled, so they could be removed, but there should be no need to do so. This is a better configuration with better capacitors. These are F&Ts, 22 microfarad, and then a 47 for the main, so a little bump oven filtering there. Upgraded metal oxide power drop resistors and a 5-watt 1K there for the main B+. Other than that, everything is original. All the components leading back until you get to the cathode bypass capacitors, they're all replaced with Vishays. But all the carbon composition resistors are original throughout, and then it has the original blue Ajax caps and the highly coveted. So you can see the Vishay cathode bypass caps. Excellent ratings on those. Original capacitors everywhere, and a 470K grid stopper added to the phase inverter to prevent the doubling distortion, the frequency doubling problem that these tend to exhibit. And all this was done with extreme meticulous care, precision soldering, everything cleaned after. Wax and flux was removed from the board almost as in its entirety. It's hard to get perfect. The board underneath was removed and all debris was removed off of it, so there's no chance at random short circuits. And then the bias adjustment trimmer is a amplifier 1/2 watt, so it's overrated, meaning it's about double the wattage you normally see in these, just for extra safety. So this thing will have the original tubes installed and be totally rock solid and sound amazing.